Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm going on a bike intervention. I got this Insta360 thing to video on the Safari, and I've got this mount here, so I can mount it to different things. So we're going to give this thing a try here and see what it looks like. This is ULANZI. It's the brand, and it's the R094, if you're interested in that. And it's a video accessory, so let's see how this thing looks and how it works. So let's check it out. So, wow, this is a heavy duty clip. So this is what the clip looks like here. So as I can turn it, I can loosen it up, and then I can put it in any direction I want. Wow, this is nice. And then I can open this up, and I can put this on my handlebars of the bike. It's got a little rubber on the insert, so I can put that on there. And then I could even connect it up to the stick. Here, this is probably what I'm going to do, is connect it up like this onto the handlebars of the bike. And then because I have the Insta360, this is here, it's the 360, I can actually extend this out from the bike and have it connected onto the handlebars. And let's see if I can tighten this thing up. And then I'll be able to video as I ride, and it'll be filming me. Like, how awesome is that, that I'll be having that connected up? So this is kind of how it works here. So you get it on there, and then you screw it on, and it cinches up. So it should be able to just connect on anything. So very cool. I like that. And it's got the rubber on it, so I'm guessing it's not going to come off. Let me just take this off right there. Here, I'll just make this lower. I probably don't need it quite so big. I'll show you. I'll connect it up onto something here. What do I want to put it on? See how big it gets. It looks like it's going to get to about, that's about as maximum here. So I'm saying, well, that's probably not going to work because it's going to be flopping out. So you probably can go to a maximum about 1.5 inches or so and have it grab. So let's see if I connect it onto the chair here somehow. Let's see what I'm going to connect it onto. Let's loosen this up, and I'll connect it onto the bottom of the chair and see what happens. And there it is. Now it's connected. I can tighten this up. I can extend this out and tighten these up. And is it going to stay? No. I got to make it super tight. There we go. And there it goes. It stays. So I'll show you guys how I have this here. So I have it on there. I just clipped it onto this plastic. So plastic isn't probably the best choice. It's probably going to bend that eventually. But then it can hold the camera all the way up there. So how cool is that? So if I connect it onto the handlebar or something where it'll hold better, it'll even stay better. So super cool on that, I'm going to say. And it also comes with this mount here. So if you have a GoPro item, mine isn't a GoPro, so I didn't need it. But you could use it and screw it onto that, and then you have a GoPro mount. So that's kind of cool too. So it comes with everything you need for that. So super awesome. Qualified certificate. So that's it. And it's a nice small device too. So that's what I liked about it too, is I could take it with me. I had another bike mount thing, but it was huge. So this here, I'm just going to be able to take this and put this down here for a second. And this is it. This is the whole device. So very cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.